This is Tim from Uniform, and I'm excited to announce the two new features we have just released: Dynamic Pages and Redirect Management. These two new features allow content editors and architects to use the stuff they already know and love from Uniform's visual workspace, but at scale. Managing content is a huge challenge on its own, but at scale and other problems arise. Imagine having to edit and maintain hundreds or even thousands of pages, and on top of that making sure that they have the correct vanity URLs and redirects assigned to them. Traditional content management, but also modern visual page builders all focus on single page editing, and that just doesn't work when you have to deal with a lot of pages. The alternative to this is that you use a bunch of glue code that connects all dynamic stuff in the front end of your application, but then content editors do not have any control over how these pages look and feel individually. Uniform's Dynamic Pages and Redirect Management allows you to manage everything visually without having to wait for your tech team to respond because they are busy with other things. Let's talk about our Dynamic Pages feature. Traditionally, pages for products or blogs are created in an abstract way, all in code, by gluing data from several APIs together into one template, making these pages look relatively structured. Uniform Canvas changes this approach. You can visually edit your page the way you want without developers having to connect APIs together. Uniform Dynamic Pages allows you to visually create a composition that defines the layout and the data needed for a dynamic page. You can then assign all dynamic pages in the same group, let's say products or blogs, to that composition by URL parameter. If there's one or two other pages in that same dynamic group that you want to treat specially, you can make another node in the Uniform project map and then assign a different composition that you treat specially just for these pages. What you would typically handle in code is now fully in the hands of content editors and marketers, giving them the tools to be autonomous from developers without giving up on quality or solid technical architectures. Uniform Dynamic Pages is now solving the problem that a lot of visual editors have: scale and repeatability. Let's talk about Uniform Redirects. URLs can be a big blocker for campaigns, and redirect-related issues can break user journeys or even kill conversion rates. With Uniform's redirect functionality, the management of URLs has been taken away from developer backlogs and right into the hands of marketers, empowering them to run the campaigns that they are in charge of. Uniform Redirects provides a visual editor so non-technical users can create vanity URLs. These URLs redirect while preserving the canonical URL and the redirect headers, so your SEO is good to go. The created redirects can run on any content delivery network that the IT team prefers, and they can all be managed through API and CLI. So this is all I wanted to show you today. This release marks a next step for composability and is unique in the content management space. I'm excited to see what our customers and partners can do with all these features at large-scale projects. Feel free to put any comments down below. I'm ready to discuss anything with you. And also check out our documentation for more in-depth information. Cheers!